So welcome back to our next video. Today we are going to discuss the topics 3 digit with 1 digit and another topic dividing 4 digit number. This is the video 2. So first question, 3 digit with 1 digit. Three digit with 1 digit. So first question, 648 divided by 9. So after that division you must check your answer also. Okay. So 648 divided by 9. In 9's table, 6 is comparing 9 is the bigger, so we take the first 2 digits numbers together. Okay. In 9's table, how many times go 64? It's 7 9s are 63. So 7 times 7 9s are 63. So 4 minus 3. Next step is subtract. 4 minus 3 it's 1. Here 6 minus 6 is 0. So the next number bring it down. That is 18. In 9's table, 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18. So 2 times. 2 9s are 18. So here 0, subtract, answer is 0. So remainder is 0. After that you must check your answer. Checking. So the last video I give one equation for checking. I think I will remembering. Okay. So what is the checking equation? So, dividend is equal quotient into divisor plus a remainder. Okay. So here what is the quotient? What is mean by quotient? The answer in division is called quotient. So quotient is 72 multiplied by divisor is 9 plus remainder is 0. Here dividend, what is the dividend? 648 is the dividend. So going to the working column, do the calculation. 72 multiplied by 9. 9 2s are 18, 18. 1 is carry over. 9 7s are 63 plus 1, 64. So answer is 648. Both that place are same number. That means our answer is correct. Clear? Okay, we can move to the next question. Second question, 204 divided by 6. So question is 204 divided by 6. So 204 divided by 6. In 6 table, how many times go 20? 6 3s are 80. 6 4s are it's 24 only. So we can take 6 3s are 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So 20 minus 18. 2 is the balance. Okay. 0 minus 8 is not possible, so we borrow from the next number, that 2 become 1 and 10 minus 8 is 2. So 1 minus 1 it's 0. Okay. So 20 minus, another way we can say 20 minus 18, this answer is 2. So next number bring it down, that is 24. So in 24 how many times go in 6 table? 6 4s are 24. 4 times 6 4s are it's 24, write down. and the ones place 4 minus 4 it's 0, 2 minus 2 it's 0. So again remainder is 0. So we can check our answer is correct or not. So checking, all of you must learn that equation. What is the equation for checking? Dividend equal quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Okay, fine. So dividend is equal quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, here what is the quotient? Answering division is called quotient. Quotient is 34 multiplied by, what is the divisor? It's 6 plus remainder is 0. Here dividend is 204. So do that multiplication in the working column, do the calculation on the working column. So 34 multiplied by 6. 6 4s are 24. 4 write down, 2 is carry over. 6 3s are it's 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So answer is 204. In both the sides we got 204. That means our answer is correct. Okay. Second question. Okay. So next, moving to the next question. So third question. Third question, 632 divided by 9. 632 divided by 9. So we already learned 6 7s are 63. So 9 7s are. So we already learned 9 7s are 63. The other questions we already finished the same thing. So we can say it's 7 times. 7 9s are 63. Write down 0 0. What is the next number to bring it down? So 9 2. So 1 9s are 9. So we can divide. So because this is a smaller number. In this case we put 0. 0 into 9 is 0, then 2 is the remainder. Okay. Okay, we can check the answer. Checking. Dividend is equal quotient in the divisor plus remainder. Okay, what is the quotient here? 70 multiplied by divisor is 9, remainder is 2. Dividend is 632. So 70 divided by 9. 9 into 0 it's 0. 9 7s are it's 63. Okay. So plus 2 is there. So 630 plus 2. Okay. So in the ones place 0 plus 2 answer is 2. The 3 nothing is there. So bring it down. 6 plus nothing is there. So bring it down. So answer is 632. So both the sides we got the same number. That means our answer is correct. Okay. Okay, one more question we can do it. After that I will give some question as a homework. So fourth question. The question is 614 divided by 4. 614 divided by 4. 614 divided by 4. In 4's table, 6 is gone how many times? 1 time. 1 4s are 4 divided by 4. 1 4s are 4. You should write down of 6. Then what is the next operation? It's subtraction. 6 minus 4, its answer is 2. What is the next number? 1. Bring it down. So in 21, how many times go in 4's table? 5 4s are 20. So 5 times. You should write 5 up, then 5 4s are 20. Write down of 21. Then 1 minus 0, its answer is 1. Here 2 minus 2 is 0. Then bring it the next number, bring it down. So 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So when we are taking 4 4s are 16 is greater than 14. So we take 3 times. 3 4s are 12. Remainder is 2. Here 0. Remainder is 0. We can check our answer, it is correct or wrong. Checking. Dividend is equal quotient into divisor plus the remainder. So what is the dividend here? Its dividend is 640. So what is the quotient? Answer is division is 153. Its multiple by divisor is 4. Remainder is 2. So do the calculation. Do that calculation on the working column. So what are the numbers here? 153 multiplied by 4. So 4 3s are 12, 2 you should write down and 1 is carry over. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 1 is carry, 1 is write down, 2 is carry over. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 it's 6. Okay. Then plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Here 1 is only, we can write it down, and 6 nothing is down, so we can write it down. So answer is 640. Our dividend is correct with that answer. So that means both the sides are the same number. This means our answer is correct. I think have you cleared the 3 digit with 1 digit. Okay. I give some more questions as a homework. Do it yourself. Okay. So homework questions are fifth question is homework and sixth also. So fifth question 436 divided by 7, and the sixth question 874 divided by 9. Do as a homework. Okay, we can move to the next topic. So next topic is 4 digit with 1 digit, dividing a 4 digit number. Dividing a 4 digit number. Okay, dividing a 4 digit number. So first question, 9138 divided by 8. After finishing the division, you must check the answer also. Okay. 9138 divided by 8. Okay, in 8's table how many times go 9? It's 1. 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16 only. So we can take 1 times 1 8s are 8. So 9 minus, next operation is subtraction. 9 minus 8, it's 1. Okay. So what is the next step? Take the next digit, bring it down. So that is 11. Now its number is 11. 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16. So again it's 1 time. 1 8s are 8. After 8, 11 minus 8, what is the answer? It's 3. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3 is the answer. Then what is the next step? Take the next digit, bring it down. That is 3. So 33. In 8's table how many times go? It's 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are it's 32. You should write 8 4s are 4 times. It's 8. It's 32. If anybody have doubt, you can say the multiplication table. Okay. So 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, then 4 8s are 32. Okay, it's 32. Then subtract the answer. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 3, it's 0. What is the next? Take the next digit, bring it down. It's 18. So 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24. 24. So we can take 2 times. 8 2s are 16. 2 times it's 16. So 18 minus 16. After 16, 17, 18, 2 is the answer. Or we can say once digit is 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is answer 2. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. You can stop. Here there is no digit. We can stop it here. So we can check the answer. Is this correct or wrong? We can check the answer. Checking. Checking. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. All of you fill that quotient. Correct spelling you should write it. Okay. Quotient. Again simply we can, I denote Q as the quotient, D dot divisor plus remainder. Dividend already I wrote it here. Okay. So dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Here what is the quotient? That means answer in the division is called quotient. That means 1142 multiplied by, what is the divisor here? 8 is the divisor plus the remainder is 2. Dividend is 9138. Okay. So after this calculation we want to give, so dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So here what is the dividend? 9138 is equal to quotient is answer in division is called quotient. 1142 multiplied by divisor is 8 plus remainder 2. Okay, we can do over the calculation in the working column. Okay, we can calculate the answer. 1142 multiplied by 8. 8 2s are 16, 6, 1 is carry over. 8 4s are 32 plus 1, 33, 3 write down and 3 is carry over. 8 3s are 8 1s are 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 1 is write down, 1 is carry over. 8 1s are 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Then plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, then 3 nothing is there, we can write down. 1 nothing is down of 1, so bring it down, then 9 bring it down. So answer is 9138. In both the sides the same answer. That means our answer is correct. After that calculation we got both the sides are number is same. So that means our answer is correct. Okay. So dividing a 4-digit number, first question is 9138 divided by 8. So answer is 1142. The quotient is the answer. Answer in division is called quotient. So answer is 1142. Okay. Can move to the next question. So next question, please note the question. Question 2. 8215 divided by 2. Okay. This is the second question. Question is 8215 divided by 2. 8215 divided by 2. In 2's table how many times go 8? 4 2's are 8. So you should write 4 in the upper portion, the quotient place. 4 2's are 8. 8 write down, then subtract the answer. 8 minus 8 is 0. So what is the next step? Bring the next digit, bring it down. So 2 is the next digit, bring it down. In 2's table how many times go 2? It's 1 time. 1 2's are 2. Here subtract it 0. The next number is 1. You should bring it 1 down. Okay. We can't divide that because 2 1's are 2 only. Here 1 only. Okay. 2 1's are 2. Our answer here 1 only. So what we can do? Put 1 0 in the upper portion. Then you can take the next digit, bring it down. Okay. So if it is not possible, in that case, if it is next digit is there in the question, first of all put 1 0 in the quotient place, then take the next digit, bring it down. Okay. Then 2's table how many times go 15? 7 2's are 14. So 7 times 7 2's are 14. 14. Then subtract it. 15 minus 14 it's 1. Remainder is 1. Okay. We can check our answer. It is correct or not. We can checking. We can check. Okay. Checking. What is the equation? Yeah, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. So what is the dividend here? Dividend 8215. Okay. After the calculation we want to get this number. So what is the quotient here? Answer and division is called quotient. That means 4107 into what is the divisor here? 2 is the divisor plus remainder 1 is the remainder. We can check the answer in the calculation part. Okay. So 4107 multiplied by 2. So 4107 multiplied by 2. 7 2's are it's 14. 4 write down, 1 is carry over. 2 into 0 it's 0. 1 is there, bring it down. 2 1's are 2. 4 2's are 8. Okay. Plus 1 is the remainder. So 4 plus 1 it's 5. Here nothing is there, bring it down. Here nothing is there, bring it down. Here also nothing. So answer 8215. In 8215 both the side we will get the same answer. That means both the sides we will get the same answer. That means our answer is correct. Okay. This is the second question. We are moving to the third question. 4 digit with 1 digit. The third question. Third question is 7342 divided by 4. Okay. 7342 divided by 4. 7342 divided by 4. Okay. In fourth table, how many times go 7? It's one time. 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8 only. So, one time. 1 fours are 4. After 7 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 is the remained balance. So, subtract 7 minus 4. Answer is 3. Then next digit bring it down. 33. 8 fours are 32. So, 8 times 8 fours are 32. So, 32, all of you must count the tables. Okay, after that only we will get this answer. In 33, how many times go in fourth table? It's 8 times. 8 3s are 32. 3 minus, so next step is subtraction. 3 minus 2, it's 1. Here 3 minus 3 is 0. What is the next step? Bring the next digit, bring it down. It's 14. So, 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. So, we take 3 times 4 3s are 12. 4 minus, next step is subtraction. 4 minus 2 is 4 minus 2, 2 is L. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then last digit bring it down. So, 5 fours are 20, 6 fours are 24 only. So, we can take 5 times. 5 fours are 20. So, 2 minus 0, it's 2 itself. Then 2 minus 2, it's 0. So, remainder is 2. We can check our answer. Checking. Checking. How we can check the answer? Yeah, dividend. Dividend equal quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. Remainder. So, what is the quotient here? It's 1835. Okay. 1835 into the divisor is 4 plus remainder is 2. Say dividend is 7342. Okay. Okay. So 1835 multiplied by 4. 5 fours are, it's 20, 0 write down, 2 is carry over. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 4 write down and 1 is carry over. 8 fours are 32, 32 plus 1, 33, 3 write down and 3 is carry over. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. Plus 2 is there, remainder is there, plus 2. 4 plus 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2 is 2 itself. Here nothing is there, bring it down. 3 down, nothing is there, so bring it down, then 7. So, answer 7342. In dividend also the same number, that means our answer is correct. Both the numbers are same, that means our answers are correct. Okay. So, I will give some questions as a homework, do it yourself. We discussed till 4th question, we are over. Then 6 more questions are there, do it yourself. Okay. Then 5th one, 4321 divided by 3. 6th question, 9375 divided by 5. Seventh one, 1284 divided by 6. Eighth one, 4326 divided by 6. Ninth one, 8096 divided by 4. Then the last question, 2454 divided by 6. Okay, do these questions as a homework. We will send the notes in your official mail ID. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.